Hello! We have here a box from SM Supermalls, and October is SM Supermonth. So they gave something for Yanna! Wow! Wow! What's that? What's that? Oh, this is for mommy. So we have here Cutie Mark Crew Little Pony. What is this? Let's see what's inside. And we also have here, of course, the guide. And that one is a huge one, baby.
Huge one? Oh, napos Play-Doh!
Play-Doh! Yanna's favorite! And a box of Crayola. Crayons. Wow! Coloring set for Yanna. And this one.
What's that?
Wow! And you have here Hot Wheels. Wow! And what's that? This is a... Let's see. And of course, Napabib. Napabib. Coloring book. Activity books.
Oh, stickers!
Stickers. And you also have here a bag.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh!
What's that?
A Barbie bag!
A Barbie bag. It's a huge one. Look at this. Oh. Wow.
I want stickers.
You want the stickers? You love everything. You say, thank you, SM.